Hey beauties, it's Danica and I'm here with a hair video from herimports.com. So if you're interested, just keep watching the video. I originally know of Her Imports version hair since 2013. I've been ordering it from them for a long time. So one of the more important changes that they have made since 2013 that I want to share with you guys is that the prices went up, okay? But the quality of what I've been sent previously has been A1. Like, the bundles lasted me for a whole year. So I don't expect nothing less this time, you know what I'm saying? And this hair, it's not cheap, but it's not like super expensive. I believe the hair is affordable, if you ask me. So my package is here finally, and I gotta say that the shipping was good. I ordered this hair probably like, it was either late Wednesday or early Thursday of last week, and today I don't even know what today is. It's like Monday the 18th, something like that. Whatever, it's Monday, okay? And so I ordered the hair either Wednesday, late Wednesday before 6 o'clock, or Thursday early in the morning sometime. And the hair just got here Monday morning. Sunday, obviously the post office is closed, so they didn't get here. It would probably got here on Sunday, but it got here on Monday. So that works for me. So it just came in this regular package here from the post office. Mine's came in FedEx, so that's who they shipped it to. And then here you are. It just comes in a bag. I know a lot of different companies, they have like pretty packaging and stuff, and that would be cute. That would be cute, but this works for me too, boo. As long as I have my bundles, right? Okay. So let's see what we got here. The package was kind of like thin, so kind of made me nervous, like they forgot something. But we gonna see. So like I said, I got a frontal and 3 bundles. The only thing that came in the bag was this packing slip and then the hair. And so the packing slip, it obviously has your address, order number, blah, blah, blah. And so what I ordered was the premium tight curl, 18-inch, 2 bundles. And then another premium tight curl, 14-inch. And then a Mongolian tight curl illusion frontal, 14-inch. And then they had given me like a discount, which was over $100. So they're really good at giving discounts, and they have sales and stuff like that too. Like, especially like, what is the word? Going back to school sale. So they get it popping around that time too. So in Labor Day, so you don't have to worry about that. Boom. So yeah, I'm not going to tell you how much it was, because I'm not going to tell you how much it was. So, it comes in a hairnet. Now, this is the first time I've ever ordered a frontal from them. And that kind of makes me nervous because, well, one, a frontal makes me nervous all in general. I'm not really a frontal type of girl. But, you know, to each his own. But I'm about to see what it do, baby. Okay? It's really brown, and I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. It comes with baby hairs. It looks like it's already pre-plucked. Okay. I don't like these bangs, to be honest with you. I don't. This is not cute. But it's really pretty. I don't know if I'd have to bleach these knots or not. It looks like I might have to. I don't know. That looks really good, though. I'm actually excited. Now, I do want to give you guys like some tips. Now, a way for you to spot out some good weave and know if you have good hair or not is when you get some hair. Now, I don't know if you get some beauty supply hair and you see like orange or yellow yarn and stuff like that. That's not no good hair. Your hair should, if it's virgin hair, you won't see none of that stuff in there. What is some good pieces is like, let me see, can you see the color on it? Y'all, you probably can't see. Oh yeah, you can see. You see that right there? It's like gray hair looking like. That's an indication that you got some good weave, okay? Look at it. You can see me through that bitch already. This is some good hair, y'all. And then you also can smell the difference too. Oh yeah. I've bought frontals from the beauty supply store before, and they weren't of this quality at all. The lace is actually pretty strong, and it all in general it looks really good. So I give this frontal definitely an 8, and I haven't even like started touching and installing it. So I definitely give the frontal an 8, and I'm excited for it. I'm definitely gonna go in and pluck some stuff out, but I don't know, it might be good. Let me pull this up so y'all can see. Another thing that I like about the frontal is it's not too thick and it's not too thin. Like I've seen frontals that are like super thin, and it's like, bro, I literally had to add tracks inside the lace, like utilizing parts that shouldn't be utilized to sew in tracks, like just ruining the lace, you know what I'm saying? But this is really good quality. I just don't understand why the baby hairs are so straight like this. I don't get that, but I'm excited. So let's get to the bundles. Put that away. Okay, so the bundles, they had all of them together. Oh, okay. We are getting Mongolian curl, you guys. That just like made me happy because I didn't know. 14, 18, and 18 is what they look like inside the package. Let's look at this 14 one. The bottoms aren't sealed, which is kind of weird to me, but whatever. Here we go. Alright, this is what it is. 14 inch. So here are the two 18s. Looking pretty good. Ooh. It got that spring action, baby. Oh yeah. Now, if you really want to put your hair to the true test of it being virgin hair, what you can do is you can take a straightener, straighten the ends of it, and definitely do this before you open and crack the bundles up. That way, if you aren't sure if you want to keep the hair, you want to get your money back, you can. So just straighten this part. Straighten it as straight as you can get it, and then dip it back in some water. Now, if it springs back, you, my friend, got some real virgin hair. Ow. So on the website, it says that these bundles should be 3.5 ounces. So I'm hoping that's true. Now, I got the 14-inch bundle and two 18s because they didn't have the 16-inch in the tight curl, and I wasn't sure why. But like I could have swore I just ordered a 16-inch like not too long ago. But whatever, they don't have a 16-inch, so I went 14, 18, and 18. So that way, like, the frontal and then, like, the bundles, everything just need to come together. Everything's going to come together. So that's why I did it, okay? A full sewing on my head, 3 bundles would be enough. So this may not look like a lot of hair, but trust me, it's a lot of hair, and I'm not going to have no super thick wig because that's not what I want to do. Yes, I am making a wig out of this. I'm making it myself. In my next video, I will definitely give you guys more tips and tricks on how to make the weave look a little bit more natural, a little bit more yours. And we're gonna get it popping. So if you are definitely excited for the next video, give this video a thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, comment down below if I didn't answer any questions that you might have had, and we can definitely have a conversation about that. I'll make sure that the specs and where you can order this wig, all that will be in the description down below. And no, this video was not sponsored. Yes, I used all my personal money on this. So just letting you guys know. This is the initial review, so I'll definitely be doing, showing you guys how I make the wig, how I install the wig, and then, you know, a couple weeks of me wearing the wig, and I'll come back and give you guys my final review on the hair. And if you have any questions or just comments in general, just, you know, leave them down below, and I'll back with another video. See you later.